This is Kyle Daigle with Central Maine Heat Pumps. We're going to review the Fujitsu RLS3 remote control. Today we're going to review the operation of setting specific settings on the remote. You would open up the remote by sliding the lower section down, exposing the keypads. And the first keypad that we're going to be reviewing is the mode on the upper left hand side. When you press the mode button, you are actually adjusting whether your unit is in heating mode, cooling mode, fan mode, or on automatic. So I'm going to press that button and it's going to change the mode on the left side. So every time I change the button, it changes the mode. And I've gone all the way through and pressed back to heat. Keep in mind, when you adjust the mode or any function, the unit must communicate with the heat pump. You would hear the audible beeping to let you know that it acknowledged that mode change. Now next, on the opposite side, I'm going to run through the fan functions. You can change the fan speed manually, which if you see on this side, the fan speed is set on 3 notches. You can set the fan very low, you can set the fan on high. But what we do recommend on the fan side is that you set the fan on automatic. That way the fan is going to increase or decrease depending on the demand of the temperature, whether it's heating or cooling. In the middle key is the energy saving program sensor. When you press this button, you'll notice that energy sensor comes on in the middle of the remote control screen. And up on the right hand side of the unit is an eye, infrared eye, that is going to sweep the room. If the infrared eye sees people in the room, it will maintain the temperature that it's set at. But if there is no activity in the room for 20 minutes, the unit in the heating mode will drop the temperature automatically by 8 degrees. In the cooling mode, it will increase the temperature by 4 degrees if nobody is in the room. It's a nice feature that allows you to set your temperature where you're comfortable and let the unit set itself back whenever you leave the room. And getting back to the unit, you have the ability to press the swing button, the first swing button at the top. This setting allows the unit to move the air vents up and down automatically. They will continue to move up and down as a way of changing the air, in the room, all the way down low and then coming back up. To turn it off, you just hit the swing setting again and it will stop that action. The next setting beneath it is the swing setting set button. This allows you to set the louvers in one position at a time. Every time you press the button, it's going to change the position of the louvers by probably 5 degrees. And if I keep going, it's dropping the settings. And that will be the lowest. And as I continue to set, it continues to rise. And the center button is the swing side to side, which operates the same way. That concludes the Fujitsu remote control settings functions. Thank you very much from Central Maine Heat Pumps.